Hi guys, welcome to my page. What are we cooking today? We are cooking fried spaghetti. Yes, that's what we are cooking. And my vegetable oil, which I use from the reserve sauce. So the leftover, that's what I use: tomato paste, bay leaf, the reserve sauce, stirring all together, prawns. Yes, I'm going to add veggies, liver. Yes, I'm going to put curry and thyme together to heat as well. Nutmeg, I'm going to add nutmeg. I'm be adding garlic and ginger. Yes, you can see that. I'm going to add not cube, before adding our stock meat, and a bit of water. Yes, before adding our spag. So we are going to put more sardine, then salt and cover, allow it to cook. Please comment on my page, kindly like, kindly subscribe. Your comment subscription keep me going. I love you guys. Bye.